Greetings, this is Jeff Corpenning. I wanted to do this recording to make sure that the residents of Bowling Green Township are aware of a filing made with the Common Pleas Court in Licking County. This is date stamped October 7th at 3:37 p.m. These are public records that are readily available at the courthouse. They should also be available, although I had trouble accessing them online, so I did it in person at the Licking County Courthouse. But the case number reference is 13 CV 1011. When I made a call, I was told that you may be able to bring it up online under Courtview by putting in 2013 space CV space 1011. I didn't have luck with that, but I will read this to you. This is about Bowling Green Township Board of Township Trustees, the plaintiff versus CMI Waste Removal Services, the defendant. And according to the paperwork here, the defendant was notified by certified mail. So what I'll read here is a copy of the complaint that has been filed, and it's listed by numbers. Number 1, Plaintiff, Bowling Green Township Board of Trustees, hereby after referred to as the board, is the governing board and legislative authority for Bowling Green Township, hereinafter Township, which is duly organized and existing under the state laws of the state of Ohio and located in Licking County, Ohio. 2. The board has the authority to bring lawsuits on behalf of the township pursuant to Revised Code 503.01. 3. Pursuant to Revised Code 505.27a, townships have the authority to enter into contracts with independent contractors to be the exclusive provider for the collection, transfer, and disposal of residential trash within the township's territory, provided that said contract is subject to competitive bidding. 4. The board advertised for bids from independent contractors to provide for the collection, transfer, and disposal of residential trash within the township in compliance with Revised Code 505.27a, and received one bid response from Big O Refuse, located at 229 Dayton Road, Newark, Ohio 43055. 5. On June 14, 2011, the board entered into a 3-year contract with Big O Refuse to be the exclusive single-source residential trash hauler for the township that went into effect August 1, 2011. It is attached hereto as Exhibit A. 6. Once a township contracts with an independent contractor to be the exclusive provider for the collection, transfer, and disposal of residential solid wastes within the township, no other independent contractor can provide the same service within the township. 7. Defendant CMI Waste Removal Service Incorporated is a corporation for profit located at 695 McKinley Avenue, Newark, Ohio 43055, incorporated in the state of Ohio, and whose primary business is the collection, transport, and disposal of solid waste in Licking, Fairfield, and Perry counties. 8. The defendant was notified via certified mail on September 10, 2011, and personally by board members subsequent to that date, that the board entered into a contract with Big O Refuse, and that Big O Refuse is the exclusive trash hauler for residential waste within the township. The defendant was advised that it must cease its residential trash service within Bowling Green Township for the duration of the contract. The letter and certified mail receipt are attached hereto as Exhibits B and C. 9. Since September 10, 2011, the defendant has violated Revised Code 505.27A by providing weekly residential collection, transfer, and disposal service to residents in the township, subsequent to the board entering into an exclusive contract with Big O Refuse to the following addresses: A. 190 Dogwood Drive, Thornville, Ohio 43076. B. 407 Deer Trail, Thornville, Ohio 43076. C. 408 Deer Trail Drive, Thornville, Ohio 43076. D. 609 Deer Trail Drive, Thornville, Ohio 43076. E. 422 Deer Trail Drive, Thornville, Ohio 43076. F. 14038 Laurel Hill Road, Glenford, Ohio 43739. 10. All the addresses listed in paragraph 9 are within the borders of the township per the Licking County Auditor's website. 11. Despite the board's advertisement, the defendant has disregarded the board's notice and continued to collect, transfer, and dispose of residential trash in Bowling Green Township. 12. Pursuant to Revised Code 505.27A2 IIB, anyone who violates A2II of this section shall be fined $150 for the first offense and $500 for each subsequent offense. Each collection, transfer, or disposal made in violation of this section constitutes a separate offense. 13. The court has jurisdiction to hear this complaint pursuant to Revised Code 2305.01 and 2727.03. Wherefore, plaintiff requests an order from this court finding the defendant to be in violation of Revised Code 505.27A, a temporary and permanent injunction prohibiting defendant from collecting, transferring, and disposing of residential trash within Bowling Green Township, imposition of any fines pursuant to Revised Code 505.27A2 IIB for each violation that has occurred since September 10, 2011, and an order requiring the defendants to pay the costs and attorney's fees of this action and for any other relief that the court deems to be just, adequate, equitable, and reasonable. And this was submitted by Kenneth W. Oswald, Licking County Prosecutor, by Amy Brown as Thompson, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney. I also want to read the affidavit that is attached. State of Ohio, Licking County. Benjamin Hupp, being first duly sworn and cautioned, states the following as he verily believes it to be true. 1. Affiant states that he is the president of the board, Bowling Green Township Trustees. 2. Affiant states that he has personal knowledge of the facts contained in this and is competent to testify. 3. Affiant states that he has reviewed the foregoing complaint and exhibits. The facts contained therein are within his personal knowledge, or based upon reliable sources, and the facts are true as he verily believes. Further, affiant saith not. Signed by Benjamin Hupp, sworn before me and subscribed by Benjamin Hupp. Signed by Iris Hedges, Notary Public. Along with these public records, also can be obtained a copy of the contract, which is noted as Exhibit A, which is signed by the Bowling Green Township. At the time of the signing of this contract were Benjamin Hupp, Daniel Van Buren, Don Wonkins, and Fiscal Officer Jenny Duvall, with the contractor being Big O Refuse, LLC. Exhibit B is a letter penned by Jenny Duvall, Bowling Green Township Fiscal Officer, and it is in regards to trash collection on Deer Trail Road. And Exhibit C is a certified mail receipt of that letter sent by the fiscal officer. The proceeding is not a commentary, does not have any of my opinions as a trustee or as a resident. I will post additional information as this case moves along, and I can put updates in the description box along with information of how you can obtain these public records and links to prior videos that I've done that read the contract and other information about what is now the Bowling Green Township Board of Township Trustees, the plaintiff, versus CMI Waste Removal Services. Thank you for listening.